Hi everyone, and welcome to StellarNASA. Today, we're going to talk about Neil Armstrong's first landing on the moon, which was a historic moment that marked a new era in human exploration. Neil Armstrong was the commander of the Apollo 11 mission, which was launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida, on July 16, 1969. The mission's goal was to land a human on the moon and return him safely to Earth. On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 spacecraft entered lunar orbit. Armstrong and lunar module pilot Buzz Aldrin then boarded the lunar module, Eagle, and began their descent to the moon's surface. Eagle landed on the moon at 4:17 p.m. EDT. 6 hours and 39 minutes later, Armstrong opened the hatch of Eagle and descended the ladder to the moon's surface. As he stepped onto the moon, he famously said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Armstrong and Aldrin spent 2.5 hours on the moon's surface. They collected samples, took photographs, and conducted experiments. They also planted an American flag on the moon. After completing their mission on the moon, Armstrong and Aldrin returned to Eagle and lifted off from the moon's surface. They rejoined Michael Collins in the command module, Columbia, and began their journey back to Earth. The Apollo 11 mission splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean on July 24, 1969. Armstrong, Aldrin, and Collins were heroes to the world. They had achieved the impossible. They had landed a human on the moon and returned him safely to Earth.